Today we're going to try out some Anchorlube water-based cutting fluid. This lubrication is for drilling, tapping, milling, sawing, cutting, and so on. It prolongs tool life, it's water-based, smokeless, fast and smooth, and sticks very well. This small company was nice enough to send some out, so let's give it a try. I started with an 1/8 inch pilot hole, and we'll be drilling that out with a 3/8 inch bit. And that worked pretty good. A little bit of smoke, but I don't smell burning oil or anything like that. And one more time, up close. I do like using this a lot better than oil. It doesn't smell when you're cutting. It sticks real well and cuts real smooth. If you're looking for a cutting lube that prolongs tool life, is water-based and non-hazardous, smokeless with easy cleanup, and offers a fast, smooth cut, try out Anchorlube. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on a different type of cutting lubrication for all your drilling and cutting needs. If you did enjoy it and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.